It says, keep putting into practice all you've learned and received from me, talking about Jesus, right? Everything you have heard from me and saw me doing, then the God of peace will be with you, right? You know what, guys? You're doing what God was telling you. You're doing what Jesus was saying and teaching you guys. So I want to encourage you with that. And PJ has a scripture that she's going to share and talk about, and then we're going to end with one announcement regarding Harvest Fest, and go for it.
Yeah, so I don't know if you guys have heard the verse, but it's Matthew 9:37. It says, "Then he said to his disciples, the harvest is plentiful, but the laborers are few." Right? And it goes right along with what he was saying, that like, it's cool to listen and all, but like, you need to do what God tells you to do. And this is something that God has mandated, right? We say it's the daily commission, not the great commission, because this is something that we need to do. We need to invite people to church. We need to give them opportunities to get to know God personally. And that's why we strategically named this the Harvest Fest. Because this is one of those things where it's like, all right, the world accepts knocking on strangers' doors for candies. All right, well, why don't we bring them into the house of God instead for the same thing, but life and life eternal. Okay, so that's why the Harvest Fest, it's a specific name for that reason.